One of the 10 healthy recipes for dry eyes, flaxseed oatmeal. Hey everyone, welcome to Black Peanut Health Island. It's great to meet you all. Today, we're diving into a health recipe that could help with dry eyes. If it's your first time here, our channel is all about discussing science and health-related topics. So, let's get started. Dry eye syndrome is a common eye condition that can be alleviated by increasing the intake of foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin A, vitamin D, and antioxidants. One recipe that aims to ease dry eyes is flaxseed oatmeal, packed with these nutrients. Flaxseed oatmeal. Nutritional value. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3, which helps alleviate dry eyes. Ingredients: 100 grams of oats, 2 tablespoons, 30 grams of ground flaxseed, 500 milliliters of water or milk, honey to taste. Preparation: combine oats and water or milk in a pot and cook over medium-low heat until the oats are soft. Stir in the ground flaxseed until well mixed. Add honey to taste, bring to a boil, and it's ready to eat. This recipe is loaded with nutrients designed to help relieve symptoms of dry eye syndrome through diet. Remember, in addition to diet, maintaining good lifestyle habits and taking regular eye breaks are also crucial for alleviating dry eyes. If you're experiencing severe dry eye symptoms, it's advisable to consult a professional doctor for proper treatment. That wraps up our share for today. I hope you find it helpful. Feel free to leave comments on what topics you'd like to hear about. If you enjoyed this, please share it with someone you care about. And don't forget to follow Black Peanut Health Island for more health tips. See you tomorrow.